Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You can have here question number 9 for you, and it is given in page number 91 of chapter 5, exploring mixtures and their separations. The question is that compare evaporation, crystallization and distillation separation techniques. In which situation would you prefer each of these over the others? So here I have written some points. The evaporation method, we are well known about it. In this method we used to separate the solid, dissolved solid, from liquid, and we can have the example like salt in water. This method is applicable here, and in this method we have come across that the water changes to water vapor, means water get lost or the solvent get lost. An example, we have seen that whatever the salt we use at home, the salt is obtained from seawater, and this seawater salt is separated. Uh, the salt is separated by simple evaporation method, and this method is more applicable when purity is not the main concern. Second one is your crystallization, where crystal formation take place, means if you want to obtain pure solid crystals from impure sample of salt solution, we have to utilize crystallization method, because in this method removal of impurities is done, and it is preferred when high purity is required. We can have the example of copper sulfate crystals. What we do at the time, we are having impure copper sulfate salt solution. We add some amount of acid in it, like few drops of dilute H2SO4. Then we have to heat the solution. We have to make sure that it gets saturated. As it gets saturated, we have to just cool down it in a water bath, a cold water bath, and then we can find that crystals get formed, that crystals are pure, having no impurities in it. The third one is distillation method. In distillation method is more applicable for miscible liquids, and if I want to obtain both liquids without their removal, I can use the distillation method, and this method is more applicable in the difference in their boiling point if it is more than 25 degrees Celsius. We can have the example of separation of water and acetone, and it is preferred when both solute and solvent are needed for liquid-liquid separation. So this is what how the comparison is done between evaporation, crystallization and distillation method, and we have also come across about their preference when and why it is preferred over other methods. Hope you will able to understand about it.